Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of my Bloomsybox Bouquet. This is a subscription for flowers and it's monthly. You can suspend it any time frame that you want. You can have different ranges of the cost of the flowers that you choose. I am in the mid-range. I think it is around probably $49.99. Anyway, you can suspend your subscription. So the last time I got a bouquet was around Christmas time 2020, and I wanted to get some flowers on the week of my birthday, and this is the week of my birthday. My birthday is actually tomorrow. So I wanted to get myself some flowers. So yeah, they just came. So I'm going to take them out of the box and put them in my vase, and I'm just going to share that with you today. So if you want to see what these flowers look like, then just keep on watching. Okay, so having got these before, I know that some of them that are a little bit wilted, well, actually, the ones that look a little wilted are kind of like a dry flower. They're kind of crispy. I don't know if these are going to liven up or if that's how they're going to stay. But I'm just going to kind of tuck them in behind some other flowers that are a little stronger. I have a few of those, so I don't know what those will look like when they eventually get water into them. But from past experience, once they get their water, once they absorb that water, especially with the preservative that Bloomsybox gives you, they come back really, really good and really, really strong. And these flowers last over a week. I just keep adding water to them. What I'll do is I will definitely show you what they look like once they have had enough, had some time for water. And you'll see that they're kind of filled out again or look alive again. But I mean, overall, they look absolutely gorgeous. I have some peach colored roses and some fun little, I don't know what these are. They're like some kind of a, they're not a berry, but they kind of remind you of a berry. And the roses smell really good. It's not an overly fragrant bouquet. Sometimes it can be a strong scent of flowers. I love a strong scent of flowers actually, but this one is not overly fragrant, but it is very, very pretty. So I think the roses, I have 4. I have 6. Do I have 6? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 roses, and then the other flowers. So I was hoping that I would have gotten hydrangeas, but I didn't. But I'm still quite pleased with my bouquet of flowers. And again, I will show you what they look like after they've had a chance to have some water. And then yeah, so that's my Bloomsybox. I probably will suspend my subscription again until the fall. I like to get some fall flowers as well. I like that for my fall tablescapes. It's nice to have a fresh bouquet, and like I said, they do really last really, really well. So yeah, so thanks so much for stopping by, watching this video, this sort of unboxing video of my Bloomsybox bouquet. And I will link the website below, and you can go and check it out if you want to. Like I said, you can get as few or as many as you like during the course of the year. And hey, why wait around for someone else to send you flowers? Send them to yourself. You can also send these to other people as gifts, which I have done. I've sent my daughter a bouquet from Bloomsybox. So anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. Take care. Bye for now. All right, so as you can see, everything really did open up nice. Even these little flowers that I wasn't sure if they were going to open up, but they did. They opened up really nicely, really well. Everything looks, oh yeah, see, this even opened up and has this little but most everything did and looks really, really good. So I just wanted to show you that and how pretty it looks once it gets its water.